Imagine a world where your next vacation flight actually helps the environment. Sound like science fiction? It's not. This isn't just about cleaner air. It's a complete paradigm shift in how we power our planes. Join us as we unveil the incredible advancements in sustainable aviation fuels that are making eco-friendly air travel a stunning reality. Aviation is one of the hardest industries to decarbonize. Planes are heavy, batteries don't yet hold enough energy for long-haul flights, and aviation accounts for about 2 to 3% of global CO2 emissions. With passenger demand expected to double by 2050, emissions could soar if nothing changes. That's why Sustainable Aviation Fuel, or SAF, is so critical. SAF is jet fuel from renewable sources, like used cooking oil, biomass, or even solar heat. The key? It's a drop-in fuel, meaning it blends with conventional jet fuel and works with existing engines. There are multiple pathways. HEFA, turning cooking oils into jet fuel. Fischer-Tropsch, using biomass or waste gas. Power to liquid, combining renewable electricity, CO2, and hydrogen. Sun to liquid, Synhelion's process, using concentrated sunlight. All are drop-in fuels, usable in today's engines. Compared to fossil jet fuel, SAF can cut life cycle CO2 emissions by up to 80%. Though not perfect, SAF is our best existing tool for immediate aviation decarbonization. In 2021, Swiss operated its first commercial flight partially powered by SAF, the first from Switzerland. They managed a 460-ton SAF delivery, enough for approximately 175 flights. SAF is certifiable, sustainable, and already flying real passengers. Swiss aims to have CO2 emissions by 2030 and reach net zero by 2050. They combine SAF, new aircraft like the A320neo, and green fares that allow passengers to reduce or offset emissions. Synhelion is a Swiss company founded in 2016 as a spin-off of ETH Zurich. They create solar-derived jet fuel. In June 2024, they opened Dawn, the world's first industrial-scale solar fuel plant in Jülich, Germany. Swiss and Lufthansa are partners and investors. Synhelion also powered a Swiss steamboat with solar fuel as proof of concept. Their next plant, Rise in Spain, is expected to produce commercial volumes by 2027. By 2040, Synhelion hopes to meet up to half of Europe's synthetic aviation fuel demand. Airlines like Lufthansa, KLM, and United have pledged to expand SAF use. The EU's Refuel EU Aviation mandates a 2% SAF minimum by 2025. The US targets 3 billion gallons of SAF by 2030. IATA aims for net zero by 2050, with SAF at the core. SAF is currently only 1% of total fuel use and costs 3 to 5 times more than jet fuel. But like solar and wind, costs will fall with scaling. By 2030, SAF could supply 10% of aviation's fuel needs. SAF isn't a distant dream, it's already here. From cooking oil to sunlight, we're turning renewables into jet fuel. With SAF, every flight can take us closer to a greener future. The sky has never been the limit, just the beginning. Subscribe for more short, beginner-friendly videos about aviation.